Hello student, let's try to understand a problem student. State the location of pituitary gland in the body. That is the first part. Pituitary gland is situated in a bony cavity called the sella trucica and attached to the hypothalamus by the stalk. Okay, lists the hormones secreted by the gland. It is divided in anterior and posterior lobes, and the following hormones are secreted from her anterior lobes. So the question is, list the hormones secreted by the this gland. So what are the hormones, student? Corticotropic hormones, that is ACTH, stimulate the adrenal gland to produce hormones. Follicle stimulating hormones, FSH. Growth hormones, luteinizing hormones, prolactin thyroid stimulating hormone, that is TSH. Posterior lobes is stimulating what is antidiuretic hormones, ADH, and oxytocin. So there are many hormones which is the produced by the pituitary gland. The other point question: how does pituitary regulate the activity of other endocrine gland? How does? So here you see the pituitary gland is often dubbed the master gland. It is known as master gland because its hormones control other part of the endocrine system, namely the thyroid gland, adrenal gland, ovaries, testes. However, the pituitary doesn't entirely run the show. In some case, the hypothalamus signal the pituitary gland to stimulate or inhibit the hormones production. So it is also known as a master gland because it is controlling the other endocrine gland, student. So let us have a look over the one by one, student. Anti-adrenal corticotropic hormones, ACTH. So stimulate the adrenal gland to produce hormones. Follicle stimulating hormone, that is FSH, work with the luteinizing hormones, ensure the normal functioning of ovaries and testing. Growth hormones, GH, is essential in the early years to maintain a healthy body composition and for growth in children. In adult, it adds healthy bones and muscle mass and affect the fat distribution. Luteinizing hormones, LH. LH work with the FSH to ensure the normal functioning of the ovaries and testing. Prolactin hormones. Prolactin is stimulate breast milk production. Thyroid stimulating hormones, that is TSH, stimulate the thyroid gland to produce the thyroxine hormones. Posterior lobes hormones, antidiuretic hormones, that is ADH. These hormones promotes the kidney to increase water absorption in the blood. Oxytocin involved in the variety of the process such as contracting the uterus during the childbirth, stimulating the breast milk production. So these are the answer, student, and that is why it is called master gland, because it is controlling the functioning of the other endocrine gland to release the other hormones, students. So this is our required answer. Thank you very much for watching, students.